Verb to have has two forms, have or has. And we use them differently with the 7 pronouns we have in English. I, he, she, it, they, we, you. I takes have, I have, he has, she has, it has, they have, we have, you have. And in the negative form, it's just the same, but we just add not. I have not, he has not, she has not, it has not, they have not, we have not, you have not. But we don't usually write or say the full forms like this. Sometimes we use short forms. Like instead of writing I have as a full form like this, I remove the HA and put apostrophe instead. It becomes I've. And the same with has. Remove the HA and put apostrophe. He's, she's, it's, they've, we've, you've. The negative form. In the negative, guys, we can merge these two words, have, not, into one word. We just remove the O and put apostrophe. Haven't. So I haven't. And has not, it's just the same. We remove the O and put apostrophe. He hasn't. She hasn't. It hasn't. They haven't. We haven't. You haven't. Well, that's all about verb to have, the full forms and short forms. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.